differences between primary key and unique key in Microsoft SQL Server. First difference, primary key. Here it is. Primary key, I'll simply say PK. Okay, primary key PK. Primary key allows zero null values, or primary key does not allow null values. Whereas unique, I'll call it UQ, allows up to one null value. Okay, this is the first difference. Next, second difference. Let's see. Here, whenever we define a primary key auto creates a clustered index. It creates a clustered index. Whereas unique key auto creates a non-clustered index. So at basic level, these are the two differences between a primary key and unique key. One more difference from administration perspective. Primary key is mandatory in few cases. From administration perspective, for DBAs, administration perspective, I'll put this way based on our job roles, okay, like this. For DBAs, primary key is mandatory for HADR, high availability and disaster recovery, HADR scenarios like peer-to-peer replication. Whereas unique key is not at all mandatory. Next, number 4, mainly for data engineers. And even senior developers. Either database developers or app developers. An interesting item, primary key is mandatory to implement MOT, means, remember this new term, memory optimized tables. Whereas unique key is not at all mandatory. One more is there. Remember, we are understanding all the differences, okay? One more is there. Number 5, for everyone. Primary key is mandatory to implement something called temporal tables, mainly for audit activities, audits, history tracking, etc. Unique key is not at all mandatory to implement temporal tables. Okay, these are the major differences, and this will surely help you for your day-to-day job work.